Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I will be showing you how to make cheesy garlic bread. This cheesy garlic bread is very easy to make using very simple ingredients and also it's very tasty. So please do try out this recipe at your home and share your experience with me in the comment box. So let's get started. So for that here I have taken around 1/3 cup of lukewarm water. Into that I have added 1 tablespoon of sugar along with 1 teaspoon of dry active yeast. Mix all the ingredients together and let it sit for about 5 minutes in any warm place. After 5 minutes our yeast is activated, so here I am adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour along with 1 tablespoon of milk powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix all ingredients together and make a soft dough by adding gradually warm water. So after 2 to 3 minutes, as you can see, our dough is a little softer. So now I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil and knead the dough for about more 5 minutes. So after kneading for 5 minutes, as you can see, our dough is very soft. So now I will apply some oil and cover it with the plastic wrap. And let it sit for about 2 hours. So while dough is resting, here I will prepare garlic and butter mixture. So for that I have taken around 1/4 cup of melted butter along with 7 to 8 minced garlic cloves and add 1 tablespoon of cilantro or parsley. Mix everything together and keep it aside. So after 2 hours, as you can see, our dough is ready. So now I will punch the dough a little and make a soft ball. Now using rolling pin, I have rolled it evenly. Now apply garlic and butter mixture. Here I have added mozzarella cheese. You can also add any vegetables of your choice if you want. Now sprinkle some red chilli flakes and some dried oregano. Now fold it and seal the edges properly. Now again apply the garlic and butter mixture on the top. Now again I have sprinkled some red chilli flakes and some oregano. And transfer it to the baking sheet. Now using knife, here I have made a slight cut. So now bake it for 20 minutes on 360 Fahrenheit preheated oven. So after 20 minutes, as you can see, our garlic bread is ready to be served. Now with the help of knife, cut the bread into slices and serve it hot. So as you can see, our bread came out so tasty and so delicious. So please do try out this recipe at your home and share your experience with me in the comment box. And if you like my video, please like and share and subscribe my channel for more recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.